Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our English Conversation podcast. Today, we're talking about gym English, the vocabulary you need when you're exercising, training, getting stronger, or pretending to.
Pretending to? Wow, calling me out right at the beginning?
I mean, you said last week that you sometimes go to the gym mentally. I'm just quoting you.
It's true. Mentally, I lift very heavy weights. Physically, maybe not so much.
That's okay, because today's episode will help you talk about the gym correctly in English. And trust me, a lot of English learners make the same mistakes over and over, especially in fitness vocabulary.
Great. So I learn English and get fit? That's a good deal.
Exactly. We're covering the 3 most common mistakes people make when talking about the gym in English. These mistakes are super common, even among people who already go to the gym regularly.
I definitely want to know them because I don't want to sound like I've never seen a gym in my life.
Perfect attitude. So let's start with mistake number 1, confusing the words workout and exercise.
Ah, yes. I already do that. Are they not the same?
They're related, but not the same. Exercise is general. It's any physical activity. Push-ups, running, stretching, all of that is exercise. A workout, on the other hand, is a full training session. It's the whole routine you do.
Okay, so exercise is one activity and workout is the whole package.
Exactly. One workout includes many exercises. Let me test you. Finish the sentence. I did a 45-minute what?
Workout.
Correct. And now, today I did 3 what? Push-ups, squats, and crunches.
3 exercises.
Nice. See the difference?
Yes, that makes way more sense now. I used to say things like, I did a 20-minute exercise, which doesn't sound right anymore.
Right, because 20 minutes is not one exercise. It's a workout. Imagine doing a single push-up for 20 minutes.
That sounds like torture.
Exactly. So a correct sentence would be, I had a 20-minute workout today.
Got it. Workout session, morning workout, leg workout, that kind of thing.
Perfect. Now, one more important thing. Work out is a noun. Work out is a verb. Listen carefully. I work out 3 times a week. Verb. I finished my workout. Noun.
English and its tiny details.
I know, but when you master these details, you sound much more natural.
True. Okay. What's next?
Before we go to the second mistake, let's practice a short dialogue. You be you, and I'll be your gym friend.
Okay, ready?
Hey, Leo, what workout are you doing today?
I think I'll do a leg workout.
Good. And what exercises are in that workout?
Squats, lunges, and crying internally.
Crying is not an exercise, but it is part of leg day.
Exactly. Science has proved this.
Sure, let's go with that. All right, I think you understand the difference now, which means we can move on to mistake number 2, using the wrong verbs in gym English, like saying I do treadmill or I list push-ups.
Oh, no. I think I've said both of those.
And that's why we're here today. So, let's jump into mistake number 2, using the wrong verbs in gym English. People mix these up all the time, especially when talking about machines or specific movements.
Yeah, I definitely have no idea which verb goes with what. I just say whatever sounds gymish.
That's exactly how these mistakes happen. But don't worry, I'll make it super easy. Let's start with a classic mistake. People say, I do treadmill.
Oh, no. I've said that like 100 times.
You're not alone. But the correct way is, I run on the treadmill or I walk on the treadmill.
So I need the verb run or walk and then on the treadmill.
Exactly. You use the treadmill, you don't do it. Here's another one. People say, I do bicycle at the gym.
Guilty again.
The correct version is, I ride the stationary bike.
Stationary bike, not bicycle. Got it.
Or you can say, I use the exercise bike. Both sound natural.
Okay, I like exercise bike. Easy to remember.
Perfect. Now, another mistake, and this one is super common, is when people say, I lift push-ups.
Wait, that sounds horrible and hilarious at the same time.
Yes, because push-ups is not something you lift. You do push-ups. The verb is do. We do push-ups. We do squats. We do sit-ups. All of these use do.
So I do exercises, but I lift weights?
Exactly. The verb lift is only for weights. I lift weights. I lift dumbbells. I lift heavier weight every week.
That finally makes sense. I've been lifting incorrectly, linguistically.
Let me give you 3 quick verb plus gym word combinations so you don't mix them up. Do plus exercises. Do squats. Do push-ups. Do planks. Lift plus weights. Lift dumbbells. Lift heavier weight. Lift the bar. Use plus machines. Use the treadmill. Use the rowing machine. Use the elliptical.
Wow, this feels so organized. My brain is like, finally.
Good. Let's practice with a mini role play. Ready?
Always ready to embarrass myself.
I'll pretend to be a personal trainer. Hey, Leo, what exercise are you doing today?
I'm doing squats.
Nice. And what machine are you using after that?
I'm using the treadmill, not doing the treadmill.
Perfect. And what are you lifting today?
My spirit.
Besides that.
Oh, right. Dumbbells. I'm lifting dumbbells.
See, you got it. Okay, now that we fixed your gym verbs, we're ready for the last one. And this is the most misunderstood gym mistake English learners make. Confusing sore with hurt.
Oh, I think I need this one. I never know what to say when everything is painful after the gym.
Exactly. Because in English, hurt and sore do not mean the same thing.
Okay. Tell me before my next workout ruins my vocabulary again.
Don't worry. That's exactly what we're talking about next. All right, Leo, time for mistake number 3. Confusing sore with hurt. This one is huge. English learners get it wrong all the time.
Yeah, I definitely just say I'm hurt every time something feels weird after the gym.
And that's the problem. Because hurt means injured, but sore means normal muscle pain after exercise, the good kind.
Okay, wait. So if I say my legs hurt, people think I injured myself.
Exactly. They'll think something is wrong, like you can't walk or you pulled a muscle.
And if I say my legs are sore, they'll think I worked out hard and everything is fine.
Perfect. You got it. Here's a simple rule. Sore equals healthy muscle pain. Hurt equals injury.
Wow. So I've basically been telling everyone at the gym that I'm dying.
Yes, you've been reporting emergencies without knowing it.
Great. Amazing. Love that for me.
Let's practice so you never confuse them again. Repeat after me. I'm sore because I worked out yesterday.
I'm sore because I worked out yesterday.
Good. Now repeat. My shoulder hurts. I think I injured it.
My shoulder hurts. I think I injured it.
Perfect. Now tell me, after leg day, how do you feel?
I'm extremely sore. Like, walking is optional.
Exactly. You're not hurt, you're sore. Big difference.
I feel like this one mistake alone will save me from so much confusion.
Definitely. And now that we've covered all 3 gym mistakes, confusing fit and in shape, using the wrong verbs, and mixing up sore and hurt, let's do a final review conversation. Ready?
No, but go ahead anyway.
Great attitude. Okay, imagine we meet at the gym after a workout. I'll start. Hey, Leo, how was your training today?
Pretty good. I'm trying to get in shape, not just look fit. Actually be fit.
Excellent. And what exercises did you do?
I did squats and then I used a treadmill for 20 minutes.
Yes, you remembered the verbs. And how do you feel now?
I'm super sore, but not hurt.
That sentence deserves the medal.
I'll take it. I accept medal payments, applause, compliments, snacks.
Calm down. This is a gym episode, no snacks.
Right. Fitness, protein, motivation. Got it.
Before we close, let me give the listeners 3 quick upgrade phrases they can use to sound even more natural at the gym.
Ooh, bonus vocabulary. I like it.
I'm warming up instead of I'm starting. I'm increasing the weight. Sounds more natural than I'm making the weight bigger. I need to cool down. The natural way to say finish relaxing your body after exercise.
Cool down always sounded like something robots do.
Maybe you are a robot.
If I were, my battery would die during leg day.
Fair enough. Okay, last challenge. Can you describe your last workout using the correct vocabulary?
Challenge accepted. Yesterday, I went to the gym to get in shape. I did push-ups, I used the treadmill for 20 minutes, and I lifted heavier dumbbells than usual. Today, I'm really sore, but I feel great.
That's it. Perfect. You sound natural, confident, and absolutely not injured.
I'm officially a gym English master. Where's my diploma?
Your diploma is the fact that you now speak English better, and you won't accidentally tell people you broke your legs.
Honestly, that's enough for me.
And for everyone listening, keep practicing these expressions and avoid these common mistakes, and your gym English will improve fast.
Thanks for hanging out with us, and good luck with your workouts.
See you next time.